So let's take a look at two websites which are going to be really important for us as we learn and develop our understanding of web technologies throughout this course. So I've attached the links to both of these to the lecture, but we can just navigate to them now and just have a quick look around. So the first one is W3 Schools, and it's just the first results here, www.w3schools.com. And there are loads of tutorials, examples and reference documents for a number of technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also some of the JavaScript libraries that we're going to be using later on in this course. So if we navigate to tutorials and then learn HTML, you can see on the left hand side here is just a big list of all of the HTML tags, kind of forms and information on a number of things HTML related. So let's navigate to HTML headings, and you can see this is immediately looking very familiar to the last lecture that we had a look at, and is, documents our H1 to H6 tags and the effect that has on the rendering of our headings on the web page. And they do have an inbuilt editor as well, which is really useful. So we can change this to first heading, run, and you can see that has changes the results in this editor. So this isn't the editor that we're going to be using. We're going to be using JSBin as mentioned in a previous lecture. But this is quite useful if you're looking through some documentation and just want to try some things out. So the next web page is the MDM Web Docs by Mozilla. So you'll probably recognize Mozilla or the Mozilla Firefox browser, and this is a fantastic website and resource for learning web technologies. And again, they cover similar stuff, but also definitely worth reading through, and we'll be referencing a number of these tutorials and a number of the information stored in this website as well. So take some time to just take a quick look at those two websites, and in the next lecture we're actually going to start writing some HTML and getting some results.